Hello friends. I start this column after going through the pain and agony for years, seeing many aspects around us which actually need a very serious attention and intervention. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about the dirt and filthiness spread all around us in our country. Do we really have the eyes that sees all this, or are we just blind and do not want to bother ourselves on this tiny issue, not realizing at all that actually somewhere this filthiness affects us too? We can see people of all age groups, from children to old aged, from uneducated to educated as well, spitting anywhere, smoking, or throwing all kinds of trash here and there and spreading not only foul smells but even hidden disease too. One can even see people from all walks of life easing themselves in any corner in spite of so many Sulabh Shauchalayas coming up all across the country. Don't you feel it's our country, or rather our home too, and no one has the right to enjoy for his or her sake and just spit anywhere at his or her will or throw things at any place as per his or her convenience? Even if we ourselves are not involved in such acts, are we still not responsible in making our country dirty and smelling bad by turning a blind eye on all such acts in the society? Why can't we just have the guts to tell these involved to stop spreading dirt and rather spit, smoke, or throw trashes at the right places? After so many years, at least our Prime Minister came forward and started such an innovative campaign of Swachh Bharat, and even he takes out time to promote this field. Then why can't we from this very same land also involve ourselves in further educating not only ourselves but the people around us too? Yes, what best we can do is just sit, gossip and curse the people for doing this, but will not take even slight pains to see that there is neatness and hygiene wherever we go and try to stop these wrong happenings all around us. Guys, what I want to actually say is, if we are able to educate or stop even 3% and make them realize the importance of cleanliness and hygiene, I tell you, we have hit the right nail at its right place. As these very 3% in turn can educate and stop next 3%, and so on, and so on, and so on. So, finally, Jag Hindustan. Yes, that's not just a sharing of my thoughts, but a very personal yet strong call to one and all. At least I am already up. Will you also join hands and stand with me to raise your voice and call for an awakening? Jag Hindustan. Thank you.